Hey guys, follow me, go to store. Let's check what is in here. Morning. Alright.
Morning, okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Morning. Hi. This is Breville toaster. This is also hob. This one is Kenwood. This is Kenwood TFB10 A0QR, 52 pound, and this one is 68 pound. This is Kenwood, 68 pound. This of ash color, I think it's a bit of ash or gray color. This one is quite nice color. This one is Breville. This is Beko. I see what it looks like inside. This is Ford toaster. Beko, $54.99. This is also Beko. This is $54.99 here. This is Hustle Hub structured brass 2 slice toaster. This is blue color, £42.99. The same thing with this one. It's Russell Hub structured brass 2 slide. This one is green color, and this is Tefal, £69.99 for this one. It's quite handy. This is Tefal. Active Fry.
You just look fire, let's throw some oil in it. Or something like that. Was I doing that? Yeah. Come here.
So you press here to open it up. This is air fryer. This one's Ninja. This is more for Richard air fryer. £119. This one is Tefal air fryer. This is Logic. So this is Logic air fryer. This one is DeLonghi. See what it looks like. Very nice. This is 110. DeLonghi Icona Toaster White. This one is DeLonghi blue color 109. Kind of like this one. It looks nice. I like this one. So this is DeLonghi. A lot of people are commenting about it, so it looks nice. This one is also DeLonghi 4-slot power 1800 watts. Let's see what it looks like inside. See what it looks like inside. Alright, got this. This is 4-slot as well. DeLonghi. $74.99. So this one is gray. See what this one looks like. Here is the red color. Make a light. DeLonghi Make a light. £74.99. See what inside looks like. So they got various toaster here. So various range of toaster. This one here is Breville. This one is Grodic $69.99. This is Grodic toaster $69.99. This one is Tefal Aventi Classic. Tefal Aventi Classic. And this one is also Tefal Aventi Classic. Just different color. And this one is also 4-slot for £69.99. Aventi Classic Silver. So this one is black color. And this one is bronze. Aventi Classic Bronze. Pretty much all of them are £69.99. And this is Russell Hobbs Black. Russell Hobbs Black. It's 99 quid, pretty much 100 quid. This one is Russell Hobbs Retro Cream 4 slice, 99.99. And Retro Cream. This one is Russell Hobbs Retro Stainless Steel. Okay, this is 99.99. So guys, this is the ranges of toaster they got here. Okay, thank you. And guys, this is Denon Experience award-winning sound. So this one is no disc. This Bluetooth, connecting to Bluetooth device. This is phone. So this is Denon DAB micro high 5 system, $33.99. And this one is also Denon Song Clio N10. This one is $549. So this, you can see, this is hello. Goodbye. So this is working. So you put the CD in here, okay, increase the volume and decrease the volume and play. Okay, you can see no disc. So once you put this inside, then you are ready to go. Okay, and this one is Panasonic. So switch is on from here. You can see hello. So switch it on from here. Then once you put the disc CD, you are ready to go. So this is no disc, you can see. Okay, and this one is stylish audio for modern living, £169. This one is Denon. This is JVC. See, so you switch this on here, so you can play. This one is with the USB, or you play the, if you press here, then you bring the disc out. Okay, no USB. Goodbye. And this one is JVC, Bluetooth JVC UXDB wireless flat panel DAB high 5. This is JVC. This one is also JVC UXD221B, $54.99. And this one is also JVC speaker, JVC bookshelf speaker, $79.99. And this one is Denon. This is Denon Hi-Fi Excellence. Touch the screen. Increase the volume from here. This is X series soundbar, and this is Samsung. And this one is X60B soundbar, and this one is X61B. I got this on my channel, so check it out. You can see how the sound quality is very nice and with punchy sound. So check it on my channel. This one is X61B. So this one is X60B Samsung soundbar. Okay. And this is Bose TV speaker.
Might be a man, but I drop my bed.
You can see the sound. Increase and decrease the volume.
Can you hear that? Let's go. Get down.
So this is the powerful sound. I got this on my channel, so check it out. And check this baby out. This is this one is Bose Smart Soundbar. The inner one is 600. with speaker on top as well. So I got, so this one is 901 Bose Smart Soundbar 900 is this one. Very nice and powerful. Very nice and well clean. True Dolby Atmos with up-firing transducer. Immersive sound for all contents with through space. Content with control with your voice app or include remote. Stream anything from your phone. Work with other Bose speaker and headphone. HDMI, EAC and optical connection. So this is what we have here. This is powerful soundbar to have, and I quite like it. Quite like Bose. It's only thing is that the price is a bit £899. That's that's the only thing. But if you got the quid, I'm sure you'll be alright. And this soundbar is powerful. So you can switch it on, you can increase the volume and also decrease the volume here and also switch it off. Okay, so you can, this is bass off. You can see Bose bass model 700, and this one is Bose bass model 500. This soundbar deserves your attention, and so switch it off, bass off, and also switch the bass on back here. This one is Sonos, and the price, so we got Sonos Rare and the Sonos Arc, and this one is Sonos they didn't put so it's Sonos Arc and Sonos Rare, I think. Okay, Sonos, okay, Beam Generation 2. So this is Beam Generation 2, and this one is Sonos Arc and Sonos Rare. Sonos Rare is okay, Sonos Rare 799, I think is the one at the back. Okay, so this one is 279, and this one is 425. So Sonos Beam is 425, Sonos Arc is 799. It's quite long. Yeah, so guys, this is what I got here. All right, check the full video, like, subscribe and share. Thank you. This is LG American style freezer. This one is top feature, food freshness dispenser and fast chill, 1698. Easy door access. So the easy door access, just need to put your hand here and pull. See, so put your hand this way and pull, so you can see metal fresh. This is Space Plus ice system. This one is Thank You. This is very nice and powerful freezer. And see, push here to close. Okay, easy access to your favorite with door in, door. Less cold, air loss, organize food smoothly. LG.com. So this is LG. The energy rating for this one is E, and 350 kWh annum, kilometer watts. I think the energy rating kilowatts per annum. This is a powerful fridge freezer. This one is knock twice, see inside. Oh, brilliant! This is brilliant. So this one is LG. Just knock. My my oh my! This is powerful. Knock twice. InstaView, door in, door out. And this is nice. Amazing stuff. Wow, I loved this. 1,849. This is LG American style. Okay, and this is top features: food freshness dispenser, fast chill / freezer, and can see this is thank you water dispenser here. Just open it up. This is powerful stuff. I hope this is not real food. It's just for you to see. It's not a real food. It's nice. Look at that. This is powerful stuff. It's nice fridge freezer. This one is fresh balance fruit and veg. This one is fresh zone fruit and veg. Freezing zone fish and meat. Freezing zone. This is powerful. It's really nice the way they put each container for you to know what you want to put inside. See? So the veg and the water goes in here. Pull and fill. So just put the water. Okay, and you fill it up, then put it back inside. This one is a utility box. Nice. This is chicken for you. I hope you like it. This is metal fresh. This is really beautiful. There's so much room here, and so this is American style fridge freezer. This one is also LG smart inverter compressor. 10 years warranty for this one. This one is American style. Top features: food freshness dispenser, fast chill and freeze. Okay, this one is just open it up. Let's see what it looks like. Space Plus ice system. Multi airflow dairy corner. So you have dairy corner this end. Now the bottom one is fresh zone, freezing zone meat and fish, and this one is fresh zone veg as well. So these two compartments are for fresh zone fruit and veg, and this one is meat. It's nice how they're separated, okay, so that you know where each one to put specific stuff you want to put. And it's nice. You can bring this out to clean it, so you can bring the glass out as well to give it a good clean. Okay, so let's see. So you can bring the glass out and go back inside. The same thing to this, so you can bring it out to clean. Let me know what you think, guys. This is beautiful. It goes in here. So this is LG. Love LG. This is another one, energy efficient. Energy efficient energy saving, smart inverter compressor, less noise, longer freshness. See what it looks like. Beautiful stuff. See what is inside. This is American style fridge freezer here, and the price for this one just different from LG. The price for this one is $1,299. So you can go, so this one is for you to go green. Cost of energy and the measurement 1790 millimeter. Weight is 913 millimeter and diameter is 736. For this one, America is 1,299. Okay, and this one is 1,449. Okay, pretty much the same in terms of the size. Yeah, both are the same, just different color. This one is so fascinating. This is LG American style, and this one is 416 liters, 23 bags. Okay, so this one is also 416 liters, 23 bags, and the same thing is also. So this is what we have here. American style, LG American style fridge freezer. Thank you. Hey guys, this is American style fridge freezer. See what it looks like. Powerful fridge freezers. This one is an American style fridge freezer. This one is 2 doors. Let me know what you think. Are you happy with what you are seeing? This one, it got 5 years warranty and also 5 years part labor. £1,379. So the top features for this is food freshness, convertible section, dispenser, and this is another one here. This one is Samsung American style and food freshness, convertible section, dispenser, and cost of energy 119, £2,549. See what it looks like. This one is so got this one. Oh, nice, you can see. So you can open up this section. Okay, then one you can also open, so this door, you can also open this door for you to fill the water, fill it. Beverage center. Okay, nice. So the beverage center opens separate, then for you to hold the door and open all of this section, and ice bits and cube dice. So this is for you to scoop the ice. Let me know what you think. Beautiful, very nice. What do you think of the price? $2,549. Are you happy with it? This is American style American style fridge freezer, and this is 403 liters, 22 bags. Okay, and this one is also decent. This one is 409, so this is a 409. Okay, the energy rating for this one is E. So the energy rating for this one, the price is 1,379, and the energy rating is F for this. So it looks like the higher the energy rating, the higher the price. Okay, so you can see the energy rating for this one, and also the electricity is using. This one takes 350 kilowatts per annum, whereas this one is 1,379 for price, and the energy rating is F, and also take 395. So this is something to bear in mind, or something to think about when you are buying your fridge freezer. This one is 1,000, pretty much 2,000 pounds, and the energy rating is E, and it's 346 watts for this one. This is with ice maker, twin and cooling system. Beautiful stuff, I must say. These are from Samsung. If we go around, and also this one is also Samsung as well. Okay, this one is, if you touch the screen, then you select the music you want to touch the screen. Now you select your family, large family. Now you can see, you can enjoy music, family board, smart home control, cooking, sync with phone. So this one is synchronized with phone, quick view, you can see. So this one got music, you can see what it looks like. Okay, and this one is this is another American style, and so this RS 8000 1780 millimeter, and this one is 1780 millimeter. So it's pretty much the same thing. The different, this one is R60, this one is R8000. Let's see what this one looks like inside it. I like this one. This one is multi-doors. I think it's the highest in price here, 3,299. And RF22 1777 millimeter. And so just open up this section. Okay, open here. So this is 4 doors. All the doors open. They close very smoothly. So you got 10 years warranty, digital inverter, or 5 years warranty, parts and labor. This is from Samsung. What do you think? Let me know what you think about it. This is beautiful. This is American style fridge freezer, very big and huge. This one's LG, easy access, push easy access door. Let's see, this one is LG. Let's see, fresh balance, fruit and veg, meat zone, freezing zone. Now I'm very fascinated with this one. This one you just need to touch twice, knock twice. So this one just knock twice, see inside with InstaView door door indoor. Let's see what it looks like. So once you knock twice, just open it up. There we go. You can see we got some food here. What do you think? What do you think? Got some food here. Looks nice. You can see the carrot, tomato. Nice. This is thank you. Fridge, non-plumbing, freezer, self-care, Wi-Fi, express control, express freeze, eyes on / off, lock, inverter, line linear. Organize food smartly. Just knock. This is from LG. I like how it looks. Just once you knock, you can see through what is inside it. This one is and this one is 1,849. Okay, in case if you're wondering the price. And this one is LG smart inverter. This one is 1,449. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. This is beautiful. And this one is efficient energy saving with smart inverter compressor. This is from LG. Thank you. Just open it up and you are ready to rock and roll. Just love them. This is an American style fridge freezer. Very powerful. Okay. This one is once you knock the door open. This one is 1,949. Okay guys, they're beautiful. All right, thank you very much guys. Cheers. Hey guys, this is Millie C2. Millie complete C3 cat and dog. And this is Henry pet. This is £3. This is 389 pound, 389. And this is 329 millicomp C2. Henry pet is 149. Henry 159 blue color. Oh, Hetty 160 is 129. And this is Henry 160 159. This is Henry Plus. It's beautiful. Check what's inside here. So this is this is Millie complete C3. You can see the bag inside it. section. This is Numatic oven unit. Very nice. Very nice. This is candy. So this one is candy. This one is high sense. So this high sense. And this one is Grodic. See what it looks like. So this hot point. See what it looks like. It's beautiful. This is a kitchen unit. You can see the fridge inside. This is like hot point kitchen unit. Beautiful. This is hot point. This melee. It's 1629 milli. This oven unit for perfectly raisin breads and scalloped roast. Made intelligent fresh field steam inject system. Allow the user automate They use the ultimate control on when to inject moist at the touch of the screen. The oven has a water intake support system equipped with a flow meter which allows it to precisely measure the quantity of water needed to produce the required number of steam bursts. This is another brilliant. So this one just go inside. Wow, it's beautiful. Tech space, cooking space, multifunction cooking type, easy clean enamel. This is EFF. This one is AEG. 70-liter capacity, multifunction, catalytic, go green, steam cooking. Beautiful. Okay guys, let me know what you think. Are you happy with this oven units? Thank you.